Today, I'm going to show you how you can watch movies online completely for free. And don't worry, this is perfectly legal. So let's get started. Okay guys, so just on the desktop here, there are three main websites that you can go to in order to watch movies for free. And the first one, no brainer, is actually YouTube itself. Over here on the menu on the left-hand side, you can scroll down to where it says Explore and go down to Movies and TV. If we click on that, it's going to load up all of the different movies and TVs programs that you can watch here on YouTube for free, as well as buying and renting as well. Okay, so this is a great way to kind of just watch, and of course, you can just support a lot of this stuff via ads on the channel. Now, there is a few caveats to YouTube when it comes to movies and TV shows, right? That does really depend on your jurisdiction. For example, if you're over in the UAE, you won't be able to find movies and TV on this menu or this navigation menu. I'm currently over on the VPN over in the United Kingdom, and you can see here that you don't get a lot of free options. It's actually like buy or rent options here. So you might have to use a VPN in order to really kind of find the jurisdiction for the movies and TV shows that you're looking to watch for free. But youtube.com is a great one, and it's a good place to start. Next on the list, we have this one here, which is Tubi. Now, this is another great platform that, again, it lets you essentially watch a lot of movies and TV shows and things like that completely for free, right? It is supported again by in-stream kind of ads or in-movie ads and things like that, but you can scroll through and you can watch a whole bunch of different movies on this platform, and it is completely for free. Again, it's another way that you can basically gain access to a lot of kind of older movies, things that have been around for a while, might not have the most recent blockbusters, but is a great way to kind of catch up on things that have happened in the past, pass some time, or maybe kind of Tubi and chill, if you will. Next on the list is a bit of an old one. It's come around quite a bit, but that is Crackle. This is actually via JustWatch.com, and the provider is Crackle. Now, again, this is a place where you can watch some movies and TV shows completely for free, but again, they are kind of older movies. They're not going to be your most recent blockbusters, but there are some pretty good ones on here as well. So if you want to catch up on a few things, you can definitely do that with Crackle. But those are the three free websites that are completely legitimate and legal to use: YouTube, Tubi, and Crackle. So hopefully, guys, this really has helped you out. If it has, you can do me a solid by smashing the like button, hitting subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one.